I have this box here that I already put finish on it, but it's looking kind of drabby, dry, and not so great. So I am going to use a wax to bring in the shine. This box has been finished already with the General Finishes gel top coat. This is a gel poly. It's a very durable finish, but when it dries, it is kind of matte. So I'll be using the Skylar Ewing Woodworking Carnauba wood finish. And this finish, you can use it on your own, or you can put it on top of any other finishes. I like to use it on top of oil finishes. I like to use it on top of shellac or poly in this case. And you can tell already just by spreading this onto the wood, it really makes it pop, it makes it look luxurious, and also it makes it feel really nice to the touch, very soft, and it kind of takes away that plasticky feel that poly gives to the wood. So right now I'm just kind of spreading it. Make sure I get a little bit everywhere. A little bit goes a long way. Don't put too much. A little can like this, it will last you a really long time, and it only costs $9. It is food safe. It's made with pure tung oil and carnauba wax. Pure tung oil, it's a drying oil, and when it cures it will turn hard, not like poly hard like plastic, but more like a hard wax. And carnauba wax is the hardest of waxes. That's where the shine comes in. It polishes really beautifully and gives it a really nice sheen to the wood. I am almost done applying this wax, and then I'm just going to use my orbital sander with a buffing pad, and I'm going to polish this wax really easy, and you get no brush strokes, and it adds a layer of protection, and I cannot recommend it enough. I speed up the process over here. You do not need to see me polishing this thing, but it really didn't take long, maybe 2-3 minutes of polishing to go all around. And then when you are done polishing, you want to take a lint-free cloth. I just use a white t-shirt to wipe off the excess. And make sure, in order not to leave fingerprints, I will be using a paper towel to hold the box until the wax cools and cures. It doesn't take long, just a few minutes, but you don't want it to cure with those fingerprints in it. So box is almost done, and as you can see, it looks amazing. Here is me wiping the wax off. You can purchase this wax now at www.skylarewing.store. Like I said, it's only $9 and it will last you a long time. Look how pretty this box looks. Tomorrow I'm going to a craft show and this box will be there among other boxes. But as you can see, one simple step really brings out the finish so much better.